Our emotional and physical senses are soothed by the vastness and beauty of nature. Nature's beauty somehow has an indefinite, everlasting, and immortal existence. The art of God Almighty is perfectly reflected in the beauty of nature.
Significance of mathematics in the 21st century is apparent. It enables us to see patterns, measure relationships, and make predictions about the future. We utilize the world to comprehend man, and it likewise aids in our understanding of the world. The course Mathematics in the Modern World refers to how arithmetic may be used to comprehend and cope with a variety of modern-day issues, including budgeting for one's own needs, making social decisions, recognizing geometric patterns, and allocating limited resources. These features will present chances for using mathematics in variety of challenges that highlights its many qualities. As a result, it serves as both the foundation for contemporary civilization and the framework for the preservation of nature, which is pattern.
As a learner, patterns are helpful because they let me identify linkage, discover ongoing connections, and make prediction about specific events. I consider it beneficial that it improves the quality of my job. Precise and methodical learning mathematical vocabulary in language of mathematics is essential for students' language development and eventually their mathematical aptitude. This gives me as student an ability. Precise and methodical learning mathematical vocabulary in language of mathematics is essential for students' language development and eventually their mathematical aptitude. This gives me as student the ability to precisely explain my mathematical knowledge. Problem solving and reasoning, on the other hand, encourage me to think critically about every circumstance I could came to. In other words, not just by formulas, but also by dimension that makes mathematics a language by itself, the one that shapes the common perspective of everyday life. Problems, regardless of whether they are mathematical, can inspire me to use the critical and logical thinking to defend actions, and especially if they are related to my interests and objectives.
The principles of mathematics may be seen everywhere, even in the real future, so it may be used to tackle challenging challenges and make sense of the world.
While many people may grumble that arithmetic is boring or difficult, the truth is that without math, we would be living lives that are considerably less intriguing than they could be. In conclusion, math functions in many ways as a doorway to students' academic achievement. This is increasingly true as our civilization hurriedly enters the technological era. Mathematics has unique function in education as a result of its global application. Students must be therefore acquire greater levels of skills and knowledge in math.